Very good evening to everyone out here. My name is Mahesh Nadar and I'm the District President for the Youth Congress. Today I would like to just highlight a tragic incident that happened in Panjim yesterday, wherein a youth died when his bike fell into a pit in Panjim during the smart city sewerage work. But this issue is just not about Panjim, and this issue is just not about the smart city work. This issue is in general, where you see everywhere throughout Goa, we see a lot of development activities happening on the road. There are a lot of digging that's happening on the road, and all this digging that's undertaken by the PWD contractors are done without following or adhering to the safety norms. I think even last year we had highlighted a small issue outside the district hospital, the main road, wherein the development digging work was going on, but there were no lights, there were no safety tapes, nothing. Even if you go down to the Kurshoram road now, you can see on that Shivaji circle, that road, you see one lane is closed and the other lane is open, but no one knows it's a one lane. There are no safety norms again there. There are no tapes, no lights, no safety measures at all followed by the PWD contractors. Now we are asking the government who is responsible for this. We've been asking time and again for audits to take place in the smart city work, but these audits are not happening. I guess it's high time the BJP government looks into these matters and they have a meeting wherein they review all the projects that are undergoing, that are over and that's ongoing in Goa, so that they can review that and they can see what are the loopholes in these projects, what are the norms that are not being followed by the contractors. Today it's one case wherein we have realized that the PWD contractors are not following the safety measures. But we can't wait for more and more cases to happen like this. We ask the government to stop looking at just having events in the state. We ask the government that when you all are having a development work going on the road, we ask you all to please make sure your contractors follow the safety norms. Once the roads are even done and dug and the road and the project is over, we ask you to ask the contractor or the PWD department, whoever is responsible, to get back the road back in shape, which can be motorable, which can be driven by the citizens of Goa. We do not have to go through all these nonsense every year when a digging work happens and these kind of tragic incidents take place. We feel very sorry that our youth passed away in such a tragic accident, and we ask the government to please look into it. We ask the Honorable CM, who is now the PWD Minister, to please look into these matters and make sure our roads are drivable, are motorable. Thank you.